A very warm welcome to all of you. Today, in continuation of most important question series for JEE Mains 2026 and NEET for Electrochemistry chapter. Today, we will discuss this question which belongs to Faraday law of electrolysis. Let's read the question. Question is telling 4.5 gram of aluminium is deposited at cathode from what? Aluminium 3 plus. Solution by a certain current of electric charge. So that is the first statement. Now what they are asking, we have to calculate the volume of hydrogen gas produced at STP from H plus ion in solution by the same quantity of electric charge. So this is very important point. Same quantity of electric charge will be in liter. So this they are reporting and we have to calculate the value of X. So let's approach this question. If we'll talk about this question, this belongs to Faraday law of electrolysis. So before that, let's write the what are the reaction which is taking place at cathode and anode. That is a very important part. So if we'll talk about cathode, so cathode what will always take place? Reduction. मैंने प्रीवियस क्लास में आपको बताया था CR आओ, क्लास रिप्रेजेंटेटिव आओ. सो कैथोड पे हमेशा क्या होगा? रिडक्शन. और एनोड पे हमेशा क्या होगा? ऑक्सीडेशन. तो इफ दैट इज द केस, तो एग्जामिनर ने ऑलरेडी हेल्प किया आपको कि कैथोड पे कौन है? एल्युमिनियम 3 प्लस. सो एल्युमिनियम 3 प्लस आपने लिखा, यू हैव रिटन एल्युमिनियम 3 प्लस. रिडक्शन मीन्स व्हाट? गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो एल्युमिनियम 3 प्लस इज गोइंग टू गेन 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन टू गिव यू व्हाट? एल्युमिनियम सॉलिड. दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग. So that aluminium is going to deposit at cathode. Let's talk about anode. If we'll talk about anode, so on anode पे हमेशा क्या होगा? On anode always what will take place? Oxidation. So you better know what is the oxidation class. Oxidation means what? Loss of electron or gain of electron? Loss of electron. So what I can write? Solution is present of what? H plus. So I'm going to write H plus. H plus will gain some electron that we don't know to get which gas? Hydrogen gas. So this hydrogen gas is coming at what? It is coming at anode. Now how many electron he will gain? See this side 2 hydrogen, this side 1, so I'll be writing 2, and to balance it what I need to write? 2 electron. So that is the reaction I have written. So if we talk about this n factor, how much I got for this? 3. And if we talk about n factor, how much I got? 2. That is this thing I got. Now let's approach the question. The question is asking about volume of hydrogen produced. If they are asking volume of hydrogen produced, so what is our main aim is to calculate moles of hydrogen. अगर हम कैसे भी moles of hydrogen निकाल लेते हैं तो हमारा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व है. मोल्स निकल गया तो वॉल्यूम हम आराम से निकाल लेंगे. तो लेट्स सी हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट मोल्स. Faraday law, if we'll talk about Faraday's law, so Faraday law already we know M is equal to what? Z into I into T. Z is electrochemical equivalent. Z value what I can write? Molar mass divided by 96500 into N factor into I into T. That is the basic formula. Now what I'm going to do, just check it. Molar mass I'm going to transfer into left hand side. So what I can write? I can write given mass divided by what? Molar mass will be equal to what? I into T divided by what? 96500 into N factor. Now you all tell me, if I am saying molar mass means this is what? Given mass divided by what? Molar mass. Given mass divided by molar mass is nothing. Number of moles. Very good. So you all told number of moles. So I written number of moles which will be equal to I into T divided by what? 96500 into N factor. That was only requirement. Majority of the question we have done. Now you check it. Already you know Q will be equal to what? Current into time will be what? Charge. So I can write number of moles will be equal to what? Q divided by 96500 into N factor. The moment I written like this, now I can write Q will be equal to what? Number of moles multiply by 96500 into N factor. Now question solved, everything done. Let's see, only have to put the values. So this is the important part which you got. Now what you need to understand, this Q charge, tell me, in the question only examiner is telling whatever amount of charge they are passing for aluminium, same amount of charge they are passing to get which gas? Hydrogen gas. Means charge is same for both of them. If that is the case, so can I write charge for aluminium deposition will be equal to charge for hydrogen gas deposition? If that is the case, so I will just put the value, just see it. I will write number of what? Number of moles of aluminium multiply by what? 96500 multiply by N factor for aluminium. So let me write NaL. Now Q hydrogen what? Number of moles of hydrogen multiply by what? 96500 multiply by what? Here, sorry, not number of moles. I need to write number of moles of factor. So let's write NF only. You will understand. This NF for aluminium and this is the N factor for hydrogen. Now check it. This got cancelled with this. Number of moles of aluminium. Do we know? Yes, we know. We can check it. What is the given mass of aluminium? See, in question they have already given how much gram? 4.5 gram. So given mass I can write 4.5 gram molar mass. What is the molar mass of aluminium? It will be 27. What is the N factor of aluminium? Just now above we have written N factor of aluminium is how much? 3. So that 3 I am going to write. So this will be 3 will be equal to number of moles of hydrogen. That is only our target. Number of moles or number of Faradays for N factor for hydrogen. Let's check what is the N factor for hydrogen. If we'll check N factor for hydrogen is how much? 2. So just put the value. So I'm going to put the value, that is what? 2. The moment I put the value, I can write number of moles of hydrogen will be equal to what? 4.5 multiply by 3 divided by what? 27 into what? 2. That is the we got. Now we have to calculate. After calculation, you will be getting 0.25. So that is a calculation part which already I have done. So and number of moles we got. So that's it. Number of moles we got 0.25. The moment you got 0.25, let's calculate the volume. If you see the question, they are asking the volume at what? They are asking the volume at under what condition? At STP. So I will give you one information. Already from the mole concept of class 11 chapter 1, we know 1 mole of gas एट STP. कोई भी गैस हो STP पे 1 मोल का वो कितना वॉल्यूम ऑक्यूपाई करता है? तो वो करता है 22.4 लीटर. तो जब ये बताओ 1 मोल के लिए कितना है? 22.4 लीटर. एग्जामिनर ने कितने के लिए पूछा है? 0.25 के लिए. तो 0.25 के लिए कितना आ जाएगा? बस आपको स्टेटमेंट जैसे क्वेश्चन करते हो ना, 1 रुपीज़ में 2 चॉकलेट, तो 2 रुपीज़ में कितने चॉकलेट? 4 चॉकलेट. तो वही तो करना है. 22.4 इंटू कितना लिख दिया? 0.25. 22.4 इंटू 0.25 किया, हमें आंसर मिलेगा 5.6 लीटर. सो दैट इज योर कैलकुलेशन पार्ट. सो फाइनली वी केम टू नो कि व्हाट इज द liter, 5.6 liter. Now till now also our work has not been finished. If you'll see the question very properly, in question they are asking this value, x into 10 to the power minus 1. So just put it. Generally student used to do these mistakes at last. After doing all hard work, you may be doing this mistake. So write down x into 10 to the power minus 1, which will be equal to what? 5.6 liter. I generally used to do like this only. So x will be what? 5.6 into what? 10 to the power 1. That's it. Your answer is 56. So this is your answer. Thank you so much, all of you.